Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello and welcome to this new vocabulary video. In this part, we'll learn vocabulary about days, months, and seasons. You're ready. Let's go! Days, months, and seasons. Vocabulary. Days of the week. Monday. The first day of the week. Time to start fresh, new goals, new energy. Say it with me. Monday. 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 Tuesday. Tuesday. It's the second day. Let's keep going. Don't stop. Repeat after me. Tuesday. 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 Wednesday. Say it with me. Wednesday. 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 We call it hump day in English because it's the middle of the week. Climb over the hump and keep learning. Thursday. 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 Almost the weekend. Keep pushing. You're doing great. Again. Thursday. Friday. Many people love Friday because the weekend is near. Say it again with a smile. Friday. Say it with me. Friday. 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 Saturday. Time to relax, have fun, or maybe learn some English. Repeat after me. Saturday. 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 Sunday. It's the last day of the week. Rest, recharge, and get ready for Monday. Say it with me. Sunday. Again. Sunday. Sunday. Months of the year. Let's say them one by one. January. The start of the year. Time for new goals. Say it with me. January. 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 February. Say it with me. February. 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 March. It's the third month of the year. Say it with me. March. March. April. Say it with me. April. April. In many countries, it's a rainy month. But guess what? April showers bring May flowers. May. Say it with me. May. May. It's the 5th month of the year. The weather gets warmer, the flowers bloom, and people start going outside more. May is full of energy and life. June. Say it with me. June. June. June is warm, bright, and full of fun. Time for vacation, ice cream, and long sunny days. July is the 7th month of the year, and it's full of sunshine, fun, and fireworks. Say it with me. July. 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 August. Say it with me. August. August. September is the 9th month of the year. It's when the weather starts to cool down and many people go back to school. Say it with me. September. 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 October. The air is cooler, the leaves turn orange. Say it with me. October. 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 November. November is the 11th month of the year. November. Repeat after me. November. November. December. It's the 12th and last month of the year. December is a magical time. There are holidays, lights, gifts, and sometimes snow. Say it with me. December. 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 Seasons of the year. Let's make learning fun and exciting. There are 4 amazing seasons, and each one is unique. Let's explore them together. Spring. Say it with me. Spring. Spring. It's the season of flowers and fresh air. Everything turns green and beautiful. The weather is cool and nice. Birds sing, and nature wakes up. Summer. Say it with me. Summer. Summer. The sun is shining, and the weather is hot. Time for the beach, swimming, ice cream, and fun. Summer is all about energy and excitement. Fall. Say it with me. Fall. Fall. The weather gets cooler and we wear light jackets. Winter. Say it with me. Winter. Winter. It's cold. People wear warm clothes. There may be snow, hot chocolate, and holidays. Example sentences. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Say it with me. Today is Monday. I was born in September. Say it with me. I was born in September. I was born in September. My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring. Repeat after me. My favorite season is spring. We go to school from Monday to Friday. We go to school from Monday to Friday. Say it with me. We go to school from Monday to Friday. I have English class on Wednesday. I have English class on Wednesday. Again. I have English class on Wednesday. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, and give it a like if you enjoyed the video. See you soon!